Hi. So you know what I
Uh,
realized after we did the poster and everything,
yeah.
that Wednesdays typically tend to be girls' nights when it comes to the, pub culture. It struck me so late.
So the music is okay. It's not too loud now.
No, it's
Anu says
fine
she likes the
now.
song.
It's
Okay,
Yeah, no
great.
doubt. Gwen Stefani rocks. I like her.
Yeah. So I thought girls like us, so girls like me. So it should be
Yes,
a
yes,
90s rock
yes.
themed playlist.
Very much.
So
I
I
think
got
90s had some of the best stuff coming out. Like apart from the
I know,
girls
right?
also. I mean, Britney
I know.
Spears came out in the 90s.
Oh yeah,
Celine Dion, of
right.
course, was at her peak. Then we had Cher. We had
No, Cher
Natalie
was actually
Imbruglia.
around before that, but yeah. Do you believe in
Yeah, but her popular
love?
pop now, yeah, her popular pop stuff like,
Yeah,
Believe and
yeah,
Cause I'm
yeah.
Strong Enough and all of that came out in the
True.
90s.
Sheryl
So, 90s.
Crow, right? Yeah,
Oh,
I know.
yes, oh, yes, oh, yes.
So
That
let's take
reminds
a
me of that
second and
song.
say hello to the people who already tuned in.
Yeah,
There's a bunch of
yeah.
people. Wow. Hi, Anu. Anu is such a
Hey
good friend, and
guys.
Anu will also be up here at some point of time. Deepak, hi. Dr. December Poetry, Dia, and one other joined. So, hi, guys. No, hi, guys, right? Hello, people, because we want to be
Hello people.
general or inclusive. So I tried doing this. Instead of saying hi guys, I started saying hello people. And for a while I was doing it. Now again I seem to keep falling back into hi guys, hi guys.
I've never
So
noticed what I typically say actually. It just comes out, I guess, whatever comes out at that time.
uh, yeah, but now we're watching a lot of what we are saying, and yeah, it's work
That is
times.
true. In fact, I was telling somebody the internet just feels like a scary place now because there was a
Yeah,
time when you could, say, just voice yourself whether uh, you have a very strong opinion or it's just a passing comment. You could voice
true.
yourself and you would be fine with it. Now it's a
Yeah,
lynch mob. You say anything anywhere and you are pretty much screwed. People will dig up your
absolutely,
profile, they'll
absolutely.
dig up your details, they'll dig up your address. Apart from attacking you online, you'll probably also start getting threats everywhere else. So it's like the
I
tolerance,
know.
that word tolerance is also being thrown around a lot. Uh,
So
it's just
just today
lacking
I've
that culture
discovered.
of, yeah,
No.
sorry,
I
go
just
on.
discovered Twitter has sent me a mail saying that your Fleets feature has been suspended because of violation of rules. Fleets is that feature they introduced
Oh,
recently. It's like Instagram stories, so 24 hours
store,
के
yeah,
लिए
yeah.
रहता है. And apparently, I have violated some rules, which I just think some of my enemies, people who don't like me, have just
Somebody
gone
must
and
have
mass
just
reported me.
hit the report button, basically.
Something
Somebody
like
must have
that,
just
yeah.
hit the,
And
yeah.
I'm like, हाँ ठीक है, okay, fine, whatever. मैंने जो भी बोला, like my existence is so, and literally the last tweet that was visible was me talking about this, the fact that we are doing this. So apparently it is
Right.
triggering to people that there are girls like me, and here's one, and I'm going to be on a conversation with her. So trigger warning, Aarti Mashru in the house with Ramya Pandian. So please, if
No, no,
tough
but hats
girls,
off to you. You
feminists,
at least tried, fleets. I feel tech challenged every time they come up with something new. I actually messaged somebody a few days back. Can somebody tell me how works and what is Reels about on Instagram? Because suddenly Reels has become such a big thing,
I don't
and
know
I have
what
no
reels are.
freaking clue.
I
Yeah,
can't deal
and
with
I've just gotten a hang of lives. So now suddenly having to learn Reels also is like a big, big challenge. Hi, Palak.
Hello, Palak. Hi. Kasturi as well. Hi,
Yes.
Kasturi. Okay, my screen thing is yeah, okay, stuck a bit, but okay. Recognize this song?
It's not that
Leonardo DiCaprio
audible
and
to
Claire
me.
Danes in Romeo and Juliet.
Oh,
Love
Love
me,
Fool, the
say
Cardigan.
that you love me.
I've tried it once in karaoke,
It's a
but I've
very
tried it
easy
only
song to
because
sing.
that's the
This one.
one part I love way more.
Yeah, I know, right? So, for my friends who haven't met Aarti before, Aarti and I have also not met before.
Yeah, yeah,
Aarti
yeah.
has a karaoke event that she does, and you can plug it, Aarti, if you want to. Tell us what you do
I
with
took to a
karaoke.
karaoke event. I get people to come play music, but it would be rude for me to just treat them like performers. So I sometimes jump in and do a song which just leads to people leaving the live.
It is totally not Aarti. Come on, you're doing the performance. आज तो मैं तो बहुत बात करने वाली हूँ because I'm hosting, so I will talk a lot, and it is just gonna have
You're
to be
allowed
like you.
to. You're allowed. It's our space.
Exactly, exactly. So that's what. So you're like me, so you're gonna have to also jump in and like मैं भी बात करूँगी. Yes, Anu,
I'm actually somebody who
absolutely.
can just sit back and listen. I wouldn't mind it.
Okay. अरे then फिर तो हम दोनों like
No,
both of us will be quite.
unless I have a few beers down, then you can't stop me. Then I'm like all over the place. I'll be talking to everybody in the audience also and ignoring you because I suddenly become this butterfly who just wants to talk and be nice and just ensure everybody's having a good
Oh, but I love
time.
that. I love that. So lockdown, so I can't have a wine glass, but wine is usually my thing if I want to be like a little, classy and all that. Otherwise, I'm a rum girl. So hi, Kavan. What's up? So rum is my poison.
Monk
Rum and
and
coke.
Coke rocks.
Hello, writing
Monk
Tom.
and Coke, yeah.
Hmm. Okay, so thanks for doing this with me, Aarti. This is only the second time I'm doing this, and the last
No,
time was
now
with
we're suddenly
someone.
just making it very formal. I thought it was a girls' night on
I
Instagram
know,
with a
नहीं
pal.
मुझे लगा थोड़ा मतलब बनता है इसलिए like हाँ
नहीं
actually
नहीं बनता नहीं बनता. Buy me a
नहीं
shot
बनता
whenever
ना.
we meet and we'll sort it.
अच्छा ठीक है तो वही वही करेंगे तो छोड़ो like वही मैं तो
Yeah.
थोड़ा like I was even preparing like should I write down points to talk about, but I have done this while going out for social events as well. So yeah, like I've thought through what things can I say. Top 5 things I can say that will be interesting.
No, the safest thing you can discuss when you run out of topics is which songs do you like? We covered 90s.
Which
Do we want to
songs do
move
you?
on to we've already covered 90s. Do we want to move on to a different genre or a different era? Hey Swapnila, hi Mega. That's the safest topic I can always pick up basically.
Wonderful. So my music taste is kind of stuck in the 90s, I think. 70s to 90s के that band में. And उसके
Yeah.
बाद it just doesn't
Yeah.
stay in my mind. Like stuff from the 80s, 90s, you shake me awake at 3 in the morning and say, what is the next line in this? I'm
Huh.
already torn. Like I can do that. But everything after that is just like, something, Ariana Grande, something,
Oh man.
what's
She's
her
like
name?
very
Taylor Swift.
popular. She's very popular. I have no clue what she's saying, but she's
Yeah,
very
I don't
popular.
get the appeal of Ariana. Taylor Swift,
Yeah.
I get the lyrics, maybe.
No,
But
I know Taylor Swift simply because she did Wrecking Ball, and that is a very, very popular karaoke song. Every
huh,
girl who has a loud pitch would want to do it. It's like in
yeah,
Adele, everybody wants to do Rolling in the Deep, so everybody also wants to
right.
try Wrecking Ball at some time. So a
Yeah,
lot of the
yeah.
newer music I know simply because I heard it in karaoke. And I've not heard the original version, I only heard the karaoke version, so I would probably
So you
goof it
have at
up if
least
I had
heard
to
a
try.
version. I have only
Yeah.
read the titles of the songs because I follow Scoop Whoop and Cracked and BuzzFeed and all of these and
Yeah,
Twitter.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
I know everyone
Yeah.
is talking about something called WAP. I don't know how you pronounce it. WAP. I don't know. That's I
It's
think
like
video.
LOL lol. Before
Yeah,
somebody enlightened me, I was like, lol.
the
Sorry, don't
funny
make
thing
a
is,
face,
Aarti.
come on.
No, the funny thing is, Aarti, in the 90s, I really thought I was completely out of it. I didn't understand what was popular. And then many years later, classmates and all I met would be like, oh my god, you were like totally the school type who used to listen to rock music and all that. And we never thought you will talk to us. I'm like, why? Like, why would you think such a thing? And then now I'm feeling like, oh god, I don't know what, I feel very old for all these. But I've had a younger friend tell me, I don't know why you dress like very cool. And I'm like, no, I am wearing 20-year-old clothes. It's just that those
No,
fashions will
apparently
come
people
back.
look up to us and we have no freaking clue about it, by the way.
I know,
We
right?
have no
Yeah, let's
freaking
not
clue.
tell
We
them.
have no.
Let's not tell them. Let's
Like,
just
I'm
let's
like,
just
listen, I'm
announce
the
it on this
girl next
live.
door who's probably just walking a dog and that's about it. But
I've been told I look snooty.
same,
Snooty apparently. I look snooty.
same.
Like
I've been
what does
told I look like a
snooty do?
snob. I look like a
Yeah, oh
junkie
same,
sometimes if my hair
same.
is
Oh
too
my
spiked
god,
up.
same. Same. Look like a snob. And okay, we had a conversation, right, about short hair and tattoos and
Yes, yes, yes,
lipstick and
yes.
all, and
I
things
got mine done.
that
I got mine done. Yours is still pending.
I know mine is like really longish and like my
But it's
hair is
suiting
usually.
you. It's suiting you.
Hey,
It is.
thank you, but this doesn't feel like me. Like what feels like me is
I
the hair.
know.
You know that
It's.
feeling,
I
right?
had a question. Somebody had asked me why the short hair, and I was like, it just doesn't feel like me if it's not short. I just one, I don't know how to manage it. Two, it just doesn't feel me. So
I know. See, this is still like ऐसे poking. Now, थोड़ा अभी आदत पड़ गई. I've gotten used to sitting in front of the screen and not fidgeting too much. Otherwise, all the time I'm like, what is this? इसको काट ही दो
and
ना.
when I'm not on camera, this is what I do. I tie this up.
Oh my god, I do
This
that
is
as
the
well.
only length that I still tie it.
यहाँ पे I put one pin here, then यहाँ पे एक ponytail,
Yeah.
यहाँ पे एक ponytail, then यहाँ से निकल आता है. So that is my always. And Lakshmi is also in the house. Lakshmi with
We have
whom
a lot of
the
friends
last
who
girl talk
joined in,
happened.
yeah.
We both have a
Oh,
lot of friends, but
hi.
at any point of
Oh,
time,
yes, I
shows a
remember
limited.
her. I remember I'd come into
Yes.
sometimes. So, yeah, I remember her.
Yeah.
Hey, Lakshmi, how are
So
you?
I thought,
Sorry,
so I
I
thought
told you
it
what
was
happened.
very cool because I sat back and thought about it. My friendships have always been magical. I'm not really fallen in love in like big dramatic ways. My love life is another, that's another story altogether, which we will not touch. But I feel
Yeah,
like I've
yeah.
fallen in
It's a train
friendships.
wreck usually. Let's not get into that. At least for me.
Yeah, let's not. Yeah, I don't even have a bottle of wine. I just have this only. Pani hai ye. So, so abhi, like we'll stick to water wale topics, which is.
Yeah,
But
I'm having a
I
little
might.
bit of something sweet, but hi,
What
Shurbi.
are you having? What are you having?
Soft ka pani.
Soft ka pani. I didn't even know that was a
Yeah, because
thing.
so since the lockdown started, I've overcome my Pepsi addiction and I've moved on to homemade sharbats basically. And soft is cooling for
That's
the body. That's what
that
mom
that's
says.
that's very cool. That's actually very. It sounds good. I'm gonna try it. I've been having haldi doodh rat ko because apparently it's good
Hmm. For the
resistance
throat,
and
yeah.
all that. Yeah.
Yeah.
But anyway, to come back to this, for those of you who are here and who don't know, Aarti and I have not met before, but she was in an event I was performing at, then I checked into an event which she was hosting, and we just kept running into each other at these online events. And Lakshmi is interrupting with what sounds like a very interesting recipe: coriander, fennel, coriander's
Yeah,
dhania,
she's talking
fennel,
about the sharbat I'm
salt.
having.
Ah, okay. I think this is what Tamilians and maybe Malus also call kashayam. It's like a digestive thing that all moms
Okay.
make when पेट खराब हो जाता है तो ये लो पी लो types.
Huh,
So,
but stuff like that is actually good on a daily basis also, but we don't realize that until we cross 30 and things get messed up in our body.
true that, yeah. Hey,
It's
Daisy
like
is
a
coming.
wake up
Daisy is a
call
school
post
friend.
30s कि यार ये किया क्यों नहीं तभी सुना क्यों नहीं मम्मी का
It's okay. Now we get to be mummy age at least and say the
Now we
same thing
get
to
to
you.
be woke about it. Now we keep on giving that advice to
I
everybody.
know,
ये
right? Oh
लेना
my
चाहिए.
God, I know, right? Yeah, but no. So here's the thing. I mean, yeah. While I'm making a joke about it, I know I have said things that now are supposed to be problematic. I know I have definitely said I am not like other girls, but and I know it is not like आके टूट पड़ेंगे लोग तुम तो feminist हो how can you say this and all but I realized something I didn't
No, but
relate
वही
to
है ना
a
कि
lot of
when it comes to the word tolerance and all of that, I think being intolerant is one thing, but forgetting the fact that a person is entitled to their own mindset or opinion and agree to disagree. That whole concept is completely forgotten. It's completely
नहीं वो तो
ignored.
नहीं है true because social media also especially Twitter just my friend calls it
Yeah.
the rage algorithm she just
Oh
boosts up
God.
the
Twitter is a lynch
but
mob. It's a lynch mob every
yeah,
time.
lynch mob is correct. No, and in addition to that, it's also this whole feeling of as if everyone is born perfect. So, okay, you're woke today, but there was a journey, a trajectory before you got here.
Yeah.
And I was just thinking about why did I
You're breaking up a little. Just hold on to that. Just hold on to that thought before you hold on to the thought.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, I
Still.
can hear you now. Sorry. You were
Yeah, I
buffering in
hope I'm
between. I
frozen
didn't
a
want to
nice
miss
pose.
it.
I hope I'm frozen. I hope
You are
I'm
now
frozen a nice pose.
pixelating and garbled. You're now pixelating and garbled.
Okay, 1 minute. I'm going to try something. I'm going to try switching mic.
Oh,
Hi. I think I'm back.
you're back.
Hi.
Yes. And you're not
Yay.
pixelating anymore. Yeah. I know hers. Hi.
You started, that loading. Wala.
Huh? Actually, no, so at
Okay.
my end you were loading.
Acha. So
Sharma
now
ji,
we
how
are
are
both
you?
apparently loaded. Hello, Kunal
Yes.
and Kamal.
We always loaded. Hi, Kamal. What do
Hi,
you mean by
Pushpa.
apparently
Hey,
loaded? We
lots of my
always loaded,
friends.
okay?
Oh,
Sorry.
I just got that. So I am on medication right now, guys. I'm on antibiotics, so I am a little
Ditto.
loopier than normal.
No, this is my first hydrating drink of the day. I couldn't sip anything all day because my tooth kinda got
Oh
displaced.
God, yeah. I know you mentioned
So
that. You were
why are
telling
you on antibiotics?
no. I just started this. The weather changed की वजह से my allergies fucked up. So
Oh,
ऐसा होता
okay.
है.
But feeling much
So
better?
well, I'm on the
We
line.
can always
So
order living liquids. Just saying, just a suggestion. Usually works for me.
नहीं. Just for now, water is
नहीं?
good.
अच्छा
I'm
ठीक है
adult.
ठीक है. Okay. Okay, okay.
No, so to
Jaldi.
come back to this whole, I started, it was a revelation for me that saying I'm not like other girls is not okay. And then I thought about मैंने ऐसे क्यों बोला at that time. And the thing is, most of the girls around me behaved a certain way, and I didn't know how to behave
Hmm.
that way. I mean, they were looking back, they were just smarter than I was because that's what you needed to do to survive. And everyone around me from distant family and teachers and everyone would be like, लड़कियों की तरह हंसो, ये क्या हा करके, लड़कियों की तरह बैठो, उसको देखो
Hmm.
ना कितनी अच्छी तरह से करती है. So for me, after a point, it just became like, okay, oh my god, I'm not like them. मैं नहीं हूँ ऐसी. So looking
Hmm.
back, I
Hmm.
don't think any of them actually they were playing a role, right? Uh,
Yeah,
that's
I
how.
think I outgrew that stage somewhere in my teens itself. And I realized pretty early that it's not fair to the other women because when I'm saying that I'm not like
Yeah,
other girls, I'm somewhere implying that in a very condescending way, and that's just not right or just
yeah.
not fair. Because whether we realize it or not, बाहर से सबको अच्छा दिखता है, घर पे किसकी क्या चल रहा है किसको मालूम. You know what I mean?
True
So
that. True that. But
from that point of
then I have
view,
to say you're much stronger than I was because it took me a very long time. And in fact, Lakshmi knows this because I've written about stuff like this, and Lakshmi has argued with me saying, "No, but you are a feminist," and I'm like, "No, I'm not a feminist." Go and all that. So it's really been a journey. Speaking of, and
hmm,
again, I keep reiterating this because I feel like the number of people who are in the room doesn't seem to change. So I see a lot of people coming in. So it's like लोग आते हैं, देखते
yeah,
हैं और चले जाते हैं.
निकल
So I'll
जाते
keep
हैं, कोई बात
repeating.
नहीं.
I know. So Aarti and I have never really met, but connection instant ho gaya, which I'm very happy about. And someday
Likewise,
when
likewise.
yeah, someday when it will be possible to do this at a table at a in a public place
Yeah.
where we don't have to bore the rest of you, then we'll sit down in some place and have our wine and beer and then make very mean comments about the rest.
Yes,
But,
yes.
till then, a lot
But
of the
I think
stuff
we've
there's
pretty much been catching up every night before either of us
yeah
goes to sleep or retires. Like we do message each
yeah.
other just to check how things and we have something to vent about also. So
I know, and I think that's really wonderful the way it happened because it just. I mean, yeah, you're right. You're like a you're a regular part of my day now. Like I think of something and I'm like, हाँ, आरती को ये बताना चाहिए, and that's really great because it's not been that long. And we have had
Yeah,
some really, really
some people
serious
it's that
conversations.
it just happens, it just clicks, and you end up being
I
a lot more
know, na?
like-minded. So,
At the
yeah,
same time, there's so much that I don't know about you, and I'm sure you don't know about me as well. So, I mean, whatever. So that's just pretty great. So one of the
yeah.
things I thought, if this kind of catching up girls' night on Wednesdays over Instagram Live caught on, I sort of wanted to demonstrate what had been happening with me and other women.
Hmm.
There's a very narrow vision of how women's relationships with each other happen. And we've all heard these things like "do aurtein dost nahi ho sakti" and "a woman's worst enemy is another woman." Or if they're friends, then they look a certain way, like they look
Hmm.
almost identical, and then they will fight over one guy, and all their conversations also will be about a guy only and stuff like
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
So I
Yeah,
thought
no,
it'll be
for the
just fun to.
longest time, I used to think, and this is my bad because for the longest time, I used to think women tend to be just more volatile. I don't have the mental bandwidth for it. And that's what
Yeah,
my mindset used to be. Because
yeah,
what used to happen is like you're working hours, crazy hours, and in the evening when you
yeah,
want to
yeah,
relax, you're meeting somebody, and that person is going to, sort of barrage you with a whole lot of problems they've been dealing with. And I realized that I was somewhere not empathetic enough, not understanding enough. And until last year, my biggest complaint, and this is what I spoke to somebody also yesterday about, was that I used to wonder, यार मेरी कोई girlfriends क्यों नहीं है? I don't have any
yeah,
girlfriends. And since the lockdown has started, I'm counting my blessings. I've met you. Surbhi is there. Swapnila is there. Ruxar is there. Megha. I mean, like, I could pretty much throw a hen's party for no particular reason and have a full house and be
yeah.
happy.
So you know what? I don't actually disagree with what you said about. I feel this too. I think women in general tend to be. There's a lot going on at any point of time. Volatile is definitely part of it, but I think that's for a number of reasons. One is that we are just taught to think about our emotions a lot more. How are we feeling? How are
Hmm.
other people feeling? And talk about it, which is actually great. Most men I know, and I actually have more female friends. I have a lot of men friends as well, and some really, really wonderful people. I've always had, looking back, I was just kind of thinking through this the last couple of days. I have a
Hmm.
bunch of different women friends, and I have a lot of male friends as well. The thing is, the really, really, what shall I say, dramatic friendships, and I mean dramatic with a lot of love because these are also friendships that
Yeah.
there's been a lot of growth. Most of them have
Hmm.
been with women. Whereas with men, there is a certain, yeah, it's cool, we'll talk about books, we'll talk about movies, we'll talk about
Yeah.
music and poetry and whatever, and it sort of hits a certain ceiling at some point. And I don't mean to imply that men are limited, because I'm seeing it. Men really are limited, in my experience. And I think a lot of it is just because of their conditioning, and it's like emotion के बारे में कौन सोचेगा, छोड़ यार,
Hmm.
इतना कौन tension लेगा. I hate it when people say तुम इतना क्यों सोचते हो, and it's always men who say
Hmm.
it.
Oh
No
man.
woman has ever told me
I've been told, and no,
इतना
I've
क्यों
always been,
सोचते
I've been told this by so many people. Stop overthinking. इतना क्यों सोचो?
हो.
अरे
No,
जो
now
इतना
I've
सोचती है पागल
started
हो जाएगी यार.
saying,
Like,
नहीं कोई मुझसे अभी
I'm like,
पूछेगा तुम इतना क्यों
I have
सोचते
a
हो,
brain.
ऐसे
It's
तुम अपना
supposed to
दिमाग नहीं
work.
लगाते हो.
I have a brain. It's supposed to work. What do I do with it if not use it?
I know, right? Oh my god, I have said exactly this. Like, ब्रेन है यहाँ पे, कॉलीफ्लावर नहीं है, तो उसका okay, Arti, okay, yeah. Briefly loading
Yeah, we're
again, and
back
now you're
together.
loaded.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Absolutely. So I think there is some truth to what you're saying about female friendships definitely being. There is, I mean, there are two women after all in the friendship, so there is a certain level of volatility and drama that is there. But
Hmm.
that said, I don't know. I feel like possibly I've always had women friends. I've just never thought of it that way. And, I kind of grew into suddenly realizing, oh, I'm a woman's
Yeah.
woman, and lot of women. And if the pandemic was not on, and I'm just thinking about what would I rather do on a Wednesday night, go out on a
Hmm.
date, or like a regular kind of romantic date with a man, or hang out with a female friend. I would probably pick the
Hmm.
second. I think so because it just feels like
I'm
maybe it's just
usually
I've just been on too
somebody,
many bad
if I
dates.
need
But
that de-stress, I'd probably go to a Three Wise Monkeys or Roadhouse Blues and just belt out some songs and then go home.
something like
It's
that,
like
or
a stress buster for me. So,
absolutely.
switch off from work, do something you like, and then head home.
I think it's two things. One is it's a stress buster. The other
Hmm.
one is I don't know about you, but I've been on too many bad dates. So now it just feels like, oh God, the pressure of dressing up and then dealing with this guys,
I mean,
whatever
I
X
have
Y
those
Z.
days. There are times when I don't want to, and sometimes I'm all about, oh yes, I want to dress up, or I want to wear that. So I wouldn't bracket myself as somebody ki I don't want like it. I have my moments, frankly speaking. For me, I think by the end of the day, because you've spent like hours and hours walking and interacting with people, because a lot of my work is marketing involved, sometimes
Yeah,
dealing with journalists and
yeah,
all of that, I somewhere lose the a capacity, a bandwidth to actually have a conversation with people at the end of a working day at least. I might probably be
yeah.
very different on a Saturday or Sunday, but on a weekday, if you meet me at night, I actually am not in the mood to talk. I just sort of, wanna either
Yeah,
have a quiet drink or I'm singing because it's been one of those days wherein the screamy songs are just
yeah,
gonna
yeah,
help me vent things out of my
yeah,
system. Um,
yeah. So when I was in the corporate world, I did like going out in the evenings, a couple of weekdays at least, and I worked really far from home, so I ended up. By the way, I'm just going to stop and say hi to a very, very dear friend, a male friend, one of the special men in my life. Sumant is in here. Hello. So
Hi.
I would do this, and I had this one friend who stayed very close to where I was working, and she was a journalist, so she had crazy hours. And she would say, "You
Hmm.
just let me know when you want to meet, and tell me in the morning, and before I go to sleep. So then I will wake up and I'll get to office 1 hour earlier. So then whenever you finish work, I can come out and be with you for an hour." So we do that fairly often, and just once or twice in the middle of the week we would do that. I had another friend who was working in Nariman Point and she stayed in Andheri East. So our paths never really crossed. So we would
Hmm.
coordinate and then take the same train back. So Adhe Ghante ke liye we are in the same train and having a conversation.
Huh.
I
So
mean,
I
that's
think
like
I've had
Bombay.
that relationship with probably two, three people. Only one was a very close friend in one of my earlier firms. It turns out his wife knew my brother and sort of they were
Oh, okay,
close.
okay.
So
Yeah,
it
yeah.
turned out we had a common circle. We had just not interacted much, and we ended up working in the same organization. We ended up becoming best friends also, in fact.
Right, yeah.
And because we were working in the same organization, I had a little more handle on the industry as opposed to him. He
Right.
had a better
Yeah.
business mind as opposed to me. So we used to, and I used to live in Prabhadevi at that time. Work was in Lower Parel. So रोज रात को ये होता था that whether it's 9 o'clock
Right,
or 10 o'clock,
right.
we would sit at Barista and we would talk shop basically. But
Yeah.
I do miss that a little bit. Having that kind of very very
Yeah.
an objective sounding board about
Yeah,
plans
yeah,
and
yeah.
just
Yeah, yeah.
general operations and
Yeah,
work
yeah.
and stuff. Um,
Yeah, absolutely. No, I've had those friendships as well. I've had an office spouse at one point. Just that. That's someone who's you're talking shop, but also you're not actually competing with them in any way, though they are a colleague. And sometimes
hmm.
it can just be a दिमाग खराब हो रहा है यहाँ पे चलो मेरे साथ बाहर let's go and have a.
No,
I
he
had this one
continued. He
friend.
went solo. I went independent. We both went into the consulting space
Yeah,
separately also. Until
yeah.
date, like that's continued. So
Yeah. True.
But
That's.
see, with
I think
I guess
also.
what also happens with a lot of my friends is I think I'm also in that age group that a lot of the friends, whether it's women or men, post 30s are either married, have kids. Priorities change, their
Yeah.
flexibility of meeting, having those calls and conversations, their availability, all of that changes a lot more. And sometimes
True.
you stop relating to the conversations because beyond a point, I don't understand the baby problems. You know what I mean? So
True,
it's not
true,
like I
true, true
don't
that, yeah.
want to, and it's not like I don't want to help, but there's only so much I'll be able to do
True,
or
true that, yeah.
understand or help with. So that disconnect definitely started happening after a
True,
certain
true,
point
true, true.
in life.
Yeah. I actually, because I made a switch all through my 20s, I worked in the corporate world. So I had a certain, and I had to learn. Because at least I grew up with very limited notions of what a relationship should look like, what a friendship should look like. And then, doing post grad and then coming into the working world and then figuring out your colleagues are not your enemies, they can be even friends and all, and navigating those. And then at 30, I completely switched. I quit the corporate world, I went into a more creative field. Most people are younger than me and social media, digital as well, is a very, very young person's game. The norms are also very different. The kind of friendships that happen are also highly different. And then I started doing poetry about 5 years ago, which makes it
Yeah.
even younger people, like people who are
Yeah.
teenagers or in their 20s and all that. But it's reached a point where you're right with the whole priorities thing. So I still have a bunch of people I'm in touch with. Like Daisy, who's here right now, is my classmate from school, and we actually reconnected only recently. And then similarly, there
Okay.
are people I worked with in my 20s who we lost touch because shadi, kids, all that came in the way. But we are kind of reconnecting, and I can see some parts of my life look very exotic to them, like oh, stage and all that. I'm like, it's not that big a deal. And then my
I
friends
can
in the cohort,
actually feel the exasperation in Katilji right now.
I know, I know. No, I think he's making a joke. Katil likes to drag me and make fun of me. So
No, no, but I actually want to know how many messages during the day does he get on Insta from people about their poems. You remember our
I
discussion
know.
last night?
Oh, okay. I didn't realize Katil and you knew each other. Wow, small,
Yeah,
small world.
yeah.
So Katil
I
has been part of
connected on
Alphabet
Resonart
Samba
with him.
too.
Yeah, like we
So Katil
connected
has
on
been part of
Resonart, not
Alphabet
really
Samba
spoke.
too.
Acha, oh,
Oh, okay,
okay,
okay.
all right.
No, no, no. Sorry, Resonat. You've been yeah, yeah. So okay. Anyway, so the poetry community also, like I have some friendships there as well. Of course, you are Katil, so I must tell you this. Alphabet Sambar, again, we've been doing events every Sunday. So
Hmm.
we try and bring in new people as well because it's just great to have new voices and all. And this one person came in and she was very sweet and she said, I really wanted to meet you, but I'm not in Bombay and now to pata nahi pandemic when I'll be able to this. But bus
Hmm.
to be in the same Google meeting as you, I'll be very happy. So I
Hmm.
said, okay, that's like very sweet, but I mean, let her come into the Google meeting, then she'll realize how normal I am. So, and then we asked everyone to introduce themselves. And she introduced herself, and then she said, I'm here because of Ramya ma'am. Katil was in the room, and they all went like, ma'am, अब तो आपको ma'am ही बुलाएंगे. And I'm like, oh God, don't do that, please. मुझे ma'am मत बोलो. So after that, she's really stopped, and she's become a
Hmm.
friend
Hmm.
as well. She's 20. She's in college right now. So, but I
Yeah.
remember that Katil. That's why I read all the posts on Alphabet Sambar. Okay, that is a plug for Alphabet Sambar. But just
I
that.
was a no-show on Alphabet Sambar, so I'm not going to like broach much about that
No,
topic
no,
at
but
all.
that's okay. That's okay. You're not a no-show. You're there. You will just speak up when the time is right, when it feels right.
Yeah,
You'll take a
I think
helping
what
of
has happened is like
sambar.
I'm just floundering around everywhere trying to figure what I want to do, what I like to do, and I end up biting off more than I can chew also sometimes because of that.
No, I think that's also, I mean, literally the whole world has been put on a timeout now. It's like sit in a corner and think about what you've been doing with your life. And so that's perfectly fine. Alphabet Sambar to chal raha hai aur chalta rahega, hopefully.
बिल्कुल.
So Katil, I'm guessing you are not saying she's sweet about me. You're saying this about the person that I mentioned. She's not here right now, that's why I'm not saying her by name. I'm not calling her by name, but yeah. Aquarian Delight has joined. That's all for
That's
Zati.
Tushar. That's Tushar.
Hi, hi, hi. The handle is familiar. I feel like I. So
Yeah,
we are
yeah, yeah.
almost at a half an hour point, Aarti. हमारी बातें तो ऐसे ही चलती रहेंगी ना? So
हाँ, चालू रखनी है ना? I don't have an agenda. You have an agenda to this conversation? No agenda.
no, not really, not really. I mean, it's girls' night, so girl talk. So just
Yes.
that only. But yeah, just that.
But I
Sorry,
was
I'm
having an
just kind of.
interesting discussion with Tushar actually before our live started, because he has heard your poetry on Have You Met My
Oh,
Feminism?
thank you.
and he's actually drafted something as well. So I was like, हाँ मैं बाद में बताऊंगी उनको या बाद में भेजूंगी उनको. So
Okay.
that's something that's going to come to your inbox from me any
Okay.
day.
Okay. Yay. Okay. Looking forward to it. It was
It
on
wasn't
COVID.
COVID.
All
Oh,
right.
really?
Okay. Um,
Palat
क्या
gaya.
हुआ? I don't know what's
Palat
happening. Is
gaya.
that a joke?
About turn. No, he's taking an about turn from that.
So I think
He's
you
a
have my
sweetheart.
email address, Arti. So feel free to
Yes, I do.
write me. Yeah, yeah. I love letters, by the way. I
Will do
really
so.
love letters. Do you
I
like
started
letters?
actually. Like there's a draft folder in my inbox because sometimes I don't want to bother somebody. I have a habit of writing whatever I want to for the day to that person and just leave it there. It just gets it out of my
Send.
system.
Arey,
And
hit
sometimes
send.
it's
Please
it's
hit
to my dog
send.
also. Sometimes it's for Ronnie also because he's not going to understand anything anyways. And like you know what he did yesterday? And while bathing him, all he has to do is just stand there and take a bath while I'm doing all the work. And then he
Right.
just collapses and goes to sleep as if he's had the most tiring day.
In the bath.
Yeah, Nawab hai, but he's right now also just sleeping. Like this guy has a king's life, I'm telling you. Hi,
You know,
Abhishek.
this reminds me of those. This reminds me of those photos on Twitter and all that of children, babies, little kids who fall asleep while eating. खाते खाते ऐसे
Huh? जैसे blow
खाते
dryer
खाते
चालू
सो
किया तभी वो भागा. As soon as he heard the blow dryer, he ran, and then I was chasing at 1 a.m. trying to get him to stop so I can dry him because it's monsoons. He's not going to dry easily on his own. He
yeah,
has a
yeah,
habit of
yeah,
sleeping
yeah.
on my bed, so my bed would have completely soaked through.
Oh God. Yeah,
So
and
that's the only
I'm
time he
guessing
gets a
dogs also
burst of
catch cold,
energy.
no? I'm guessing dogs also catch colds just as easily as human
Yeah,
beings, no?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, he does
Okay.
a little bit.
So I'm a little scared of dogs, which
You
I
are?
should admit to you. Yeah, I'm a little
What about
scared.
squirrels? I'm
I
scared of
don't mind
squirrels,
squirrels.
sorry.
Oh, okay. Boost deficiency syndrome. Same. Okay.
I completely have all the symptoms of boost deficiency syndrome, by the way. Just
So
saying.
no alcohol has touched my lips in almost 6 months now.
No alcohol has touched my lips in almost 5 days now. Just putting it out there.
So do you think the pandemic is ever going to? Do you think things are ever going to go back to normal? You know, I feel like I can't
Not for
remember
me, not for
when.
me. I think I've realized that I enjoyed the space of me. So somewhere I'm going to continue or reiterate some of my personal boundaries, my social boundaries, and all of that because
Yeah, yeah,
I like the space, the time, and the leisure I get in a certain way.
yeah, yeah,
Um,
yeah.
and also overall the work-life balance because I was a workaholic.
Same.
Until last year, I was somebody who would be continuously just even when I was in office, I would not leave
Yeah,
my
yeah,
room until like
yeah,
12
yeah,
a.m. or 1 a.m. also, and
yeah,
then
yeah,
hunting
yeah,
for that
yeah,
late night cab and everything.
yeah,
So somewhere I definitely have started, valuing that and developing other
yeah,
interests also because of it.
yeah,
So
yeah, yeah. No, absolutely. That's same. I've been a workaholic. I've been someone who used to schedule falling sick. So like Tuesday ko, if I'm starting a sniffle, I'll just pop a pill, go to work because I'm like, aaj nahi. I'm telling myself, aaj nahi, Saturday ko. Then Saturday you can crash and pura fever, cold, cough, sab hota tha. And I think that was just my low point, and I realized, well, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ यार? What am I doing? Like scheduling my life to be lived on weekends like
no,
that.
mine was the
So,
worst. My back was completely screwed. I couldn't even sit. I had to take a 1 month sabbatical, and at the end of that sabbatical, I just snapped. I was supposed to get to office on Monday. I booked a flight to Goa on Thursday. My first solo trip ever. Goa's the only place familiar to me. So I was like, okay, it should be safer because you've never like traveled and you anyways.
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
paranoid personally. So ended up going
Same.
to Goa. That's where I discovered karaoke. Actually, that's a story.
Okay.
I ended up going to Saint Anthony's all 3 nights. I didn't venture anywhere else. Basically, didn't see Goa at all. Just went to Saint Anthony's, sung my heart away, came back and put down my papers, and then sort of went
Wow.
independent and started my consulting. Uh,
Yeah.
but I needed that because I had completely ignored my health, my body. Like,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
imagine not being like within 3 years, I had a frozen shoulder, screwed up back, bad knees.
No,
Like
all
I
of
could
these are the
barely
body
sit.
telling you,
Like
no, I need
special
attention.
chair, a special cushion, special shoes, everything. Like it's
Yeah, yeah.
and still clocking
No,
away,
no,
still
that's
consuming all that coffee.
yeah.
So,
No, I realized something because I went through all of this. I developed an entire pain all here like this. Pura din, 2 days I sat like this and did my work essay, like holding up my neck because it hurt too much to even keep it straight. But over time, I've realized something. I've started creating certain other rituals as well. We do all these rituals for work. That a meeting has to be set at this time, so on, so
yeah.
so on, so on, all that. So at one point of time, when Sumant was in Bombay, he's not in Bombay anymore.
Hello. Welcome back.
I, okay, so the
Welcome
music
back.
is stopped because my Wi-Fi has apparently gone for a toss. So it might just start.
I'm going to
Okay,
play
it's
the
back.
music then. Tell me if it's too loud. Oh, it's back. Okay.
Do you want to play something?
Yeah, but my taste is very different tonight.
Okay. But so I think we should probably wrap up soon because anyway Instagram will drop us once it reaches the one
Yeah,
hour
but
mark.
Ruxar just came. Hi,
Hi
Ruxar.
Ruxar, winner, the
Sorry,
winner of
I'm just
Resonance
messing
Right
with you.
Right. No, that's
Yes.
fine. No apologizing at
If
on the
Katilji
pod.
has done karaoke in Goa, I'm gonna one of these days insist he sing somewhere. I don't know which live platform, but somewhere.
So I'm going to be on your. I'm going to be on this Saturday's karaoke as well. Listening.
Yay!
Last
You
time I
have
had a.
to. You have
Yep.
to. All of you guys have to be there. I'll hold a grudge against you if you don't.
No, I will
That's me being
definitely be
passive
there. I
aggressive.
had
You
a
can
call
ignore
that I had to
it.
take last time, so I went off on that. But I will be there. But yeah, I'm starting to feel a little woozy now, which is the antibiotics. I think. Uh,
Yeah, I think
I promise you, though.
we are close. We
I promise you that I'm a little more fun than this in real life when I'm. Sorry, that's my family saying the music is too loud. Okay, by the way, I have been told this multiple times at restaurants, and strangers come and say, "You're making too much noise."
It's not a
Multiple times.
hospital.
What?
It's not a
Hello?
hospital. It's not a hospital
Yeah, I
crossing area.
know,
Of course, you're allowed to make noise.
but वो ऐसे ही है. तो लोग ऐसे ही करते हैं. Why antibiotics? Because my allergies flared up because of Bombay wonderful weather. So just that. I had to be dosed up to be on this live to be audible. That's why I applied
Hmm.
lipstick as well. So because lipstick is my
I love your lipsticks. I'm
thank
your
you.
lipstick fan.
I like
Sister
lipsticks. I
also
really
likes
like
it.
lipstick.
Yes.
But everything, all these crazy colors are now going out, so you don't see them anymore. They're not easily available on Nykaa
No,
or
there's some
Amazon.
brands which still do have them. I think LA Girl and Wet n Wild still keep on
I don't like
experimenting and
illegal.
coming. Yeah, but I don't buy them because the texture sort of messes me up.
Yeah,
Uh,
illegal is terrible. Illegal is like
yeah.
crayon ko leke. This is NYX.
Yeah, but they still
NYX
have
is
those, non-conventional colors. So if
yeah.
you are desperate, then yeah, that's the brand go you can go
No,
for.
no. So NYX is what I really like. Also, it's liquid lip
Yeah, I
color, now
like
that I can
NYX
feel it
too.
on
Yeah,
and all that. So yeah.
yeah,
Anyway, on that note, should we close over here because I'm starting to
yeah. No,
literally
I
like.
think you need your rest. You need your rest for sure.
Thank you
Let's
so
call
much
it a
for being on
night.
this crazy call with me. I already
Yeah,
feel a
and
little
listening to
better.
us ramble.
No, but it's always nice talking to you, Aarti. So I can't wait to meet
Thank
you in real
you.
life.
Likewise, the feeling is mutual actually. Thank you.
Yay, yay.
I
It's like we are
enjoyed
each
this.
other's favorites in a room when either
We
I'm
are,
hosting or
aren't
you're
we?
hosting. We are, na?
Aren't
We
we?
totally are. Hai na?
Don't break my bubble, okay?
No, we are. We totally are. We completely
Yay.
are. They're like nice little bubble of just the two of us.
Yes,
But the
yes,
others are
yes,
allowed to
yes.
watch. So
Yeah, yeah.
listen.
Okay, that just that okay. I'm just gonna shut
Yeah,
up.
this is the antibiotics. This is the antibiotics. I promise you, I'm a little sharper than this when I'm in front. Like you're just gonna have to believe me. Thank you, everybody, for tuning
Yeah.
in and listening to us ramble. I'm going to stop a minute and add a few plugs. So, Aarti, why don't you go first? Anything you want to plug? Tell us about your the next event that you're doing, when and where.
Of course, my Saturday Night Live is usually on, so it's all about music. We're gonna have Brian and Mayank again this time.
Wonderful.
I forgot to ask them about the poster.
But that's
But
okay.
yes,
So, if you want to find out who they
and
are, and I have heard them perform, they're really lovely,
yeah.
wonderful, and it's a lot of fun. So, tune into
And
Aarti's
it's just a
Instagram.
jam, friends sitting, music, and chilling. That's
Yeah.
all there is to it. And I'm also planning a Punjabi night specifically. So I've spoken to Sidhu. We're going to speak to Paji. We're going to speak
Lovely.
to, two, three people. So it's not
Yeah.
just going to be one person performing, but we're going to have a few
Nice.
people. But it's going to be a very Punjabi theme because
Cool.
I've fallen in love with the songs a lot. So that's something which is still on the cards.
No, that's
Yeah,
that's
Ratan
right on
too.
for especially the current weather and all that. We need a good dose of Punjabi cheer. And there's my
Thank
friend
you.
Jaina. Jaina is actually Jaina's partner is a very good friend of mine, and Jaina and I have
Hmm.
recently become friends. So hi, love. Lots of love to Jaina.
हाय शैना the me too my Zara ये
uh,
लड़की इतनी रोमांटिक और innocent है ना she
I
is
know now,
adorable
Ruksar. I know. So Ruksar, by the way, for the rest of you, is the winner of Resonat's Right contest. So देखो Resonat को भी plug कर रहे हैं हम लोग. Even though Balkar and none of the others are here, but Resonat just feels like ours, na? So ऐसा है. And in addition to that,
yeah
I run Alphabet Sambar. Some of you here know about it already. Anu is a planner as well. We have events most Sundays, and everything is online. So if you like words, then please come. And we will do more of these girl talk events every Wednesday night. If you have any thoughts, any other people you'd like to have on, or any particular topics you'd like us to discuss, feel free to drop a suggestion. I am not promising that we will actually stick to that, but I will be happy to read your ideas. Okay. All
yeah
right.
it's been a
So
pleasure thank you guys
it's
for sticking
been
and just
lovely.
yeah
Thank you, and thank you so much, Aarti.
yeah
And now I will catch
yeah
you on
my
DM so
pleasure
then we can gossip and be mean.
yes yes
Bye.
bye
Good night. And I'm going to save this live so you can check it out on my profile as well. Bye.